Every visitor counts in Victoria, from small businesses to big events. See how the visitor economy powers our community's success.
The return of Symphony Splash this year is really a big deal. This has been a beloved event in this community for decades, and ambitious large-scale events like Symphony Splash bring something very, very special to a community like Victoria. It's a sort of a unique opportunity to bring every aspect of the city together in focus around this one event. My hope is that this year's Symphony Splash is a huge success, and that the broader community, and in fact the community around the Northwest and even North America, recognize again what amazing things can happen here in Victoria. This is not just a beautiful place, it's also a place where you can enjoy arts and culture and great dining, that there are many, many different things that make this an attractive and beautiful place to be. The Victoria Symphony is super grateful to Destination Greater Victoria and the role that they play in the community. We continue to work together to remind everybody of how important arts and culture are to make a community vibrant.